It's a 2016 Lexus RX 350. Redesigned for 2016, the RX 350 has a new attitude with even greater performance and opulence. The sporty facelift gives it an aggressive look that's appropriate for the high-performing 3.5-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The beautifully crafted and notably quiet cabin is filled with tools to make every commute more efficient and less stressful. Like the HD Radio's subscription-free traffic and weather service that guides your drive by providing real-time updates on what's happening on the road and in the sky. It also offers amazing sound quality. Get inside and show the world you're just as sophisticated as the car you drive. Be as bold as the RX 350. Stop by for a test ride.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.